Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress as a developer. First, you'll want to understand the core WordPress files and its database structure. Setting up a local development environment, like with Local by Flywheel or XAMPP, is crucial for testing your work safely. Then, you can begin customizing existing themes or even creating your very own custom plugins to extend functionality. It's an exciting journey into web development. When crafting custom WordPress themes, you'll primarily use PHP, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Understanding the WordPress template hierarchy is key to organizing your content effectively, ensuring posts and pages display correctly. Always prioritize responsive design, making sure your theme looks fantastic and functions perfectly across all devices, from large desktop monitors to small mobile phones. This ensures a broad audience reach. Building powerful WordPress plugins allows you to add unique features and extend core functionality. You'll leverage WordPress hooks and filters, which are essential for integrating your code seamlessly without modifying core files. Always prioritize security in your plugin development and ensure compatibility with future WordPress core updates. This approach guarantees your plugin remains robust and reliable for users over time. Adhering to coding standards is vital for creating maintainable and scalable WordPress projects, making collaboration much smoother. Implementing version control, like Git, is a non-negotiable step for tracking changes and working efficiently in teams. Finally, when deploying your WordPress site, always ensure it's done securely to a reliable live server, protecting your hard work and user data. These practices lead to successful development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.